So UCAR getting some nice movement. Checking the L2s, I show support as 785. 785, resistance 834. This is your channel right here now. That is UCAR. 814. I see resistance coming in at 814. UCAR again, 785 support, 814 resistance, at least a bigger area of resistance at 814. Still though, if you look at that, this has got nice room to go from 784 to 814. That's a nice setup right there. You see that in this small channel? Here we go. UCAR starting to make a move here. That's 784 to 814. Anybody in that making money right now? Boom, there it goes. I just sold it, made $50. That was the buy of 784 to 814. Anybody make money there?
Yes, sir.
Nice job. Look at that. Now you're getting a break. Look at this. Oh, you guys are getting extra payday. Remember to shave some here at this critical level, right? I shave or get out. I got out by 814. This was the move. So again, here to here, and we had this nice setup using the L2 and this channel, right? Okay, next move. What do we got here? Not enough volume yet, but 197K. CAUD starting to get volume. CAUD, low floater. CAUD. Starting to get some volume here. Excuse me. That's CAUD. 6.8 million float, 245K volume. We caught it first. Starting to move. Average volume is only 200K. 200K average volume. See if we can, there we go. Getting a nice run. Boom. I'll take it. CAUD on the exact call out. Right there. Ended up taking $70. Let me show you. Exactly when I told you. See it right here, 34 seconds ago. Bought in 1,000 shares. Just sold it on that pop. That's what $70 looks like in 20 seconds on the call out. See it? Now listen, all I did was I grabbed this watching these pre-market runners over here, right? I don't have any other scanners. I mean, I have access to them with Benzinga and all sorts of stuff. And if I wanted to, I could turn on the squelch and listen. But if you're good enough and you're watching this, I can see it before the rest of the world will see it. And then I can watch the volume come in. I'm checking on the float. I saw that it started to stair step because we got it right here. We got this nice pop. I had 1,000 shares. Total risk, I had $1,000 in there. I made $70. That's $350 a week at $70 for 20 seconds, right? So you're looking at $1,400 extra a month. That's life-changing. There goes AUUD. AUUD popping off. Support at 3, well, it was 3.07. AUUD resistance coming in now about 318. 318 to 325. Everybody see it on the L2? So right here, you get beyond 325, you're going to be rocking and rolling again. See it right there? Look at the L2s. Everybody's selling 49,000 shares right there at 325.